Everybody is outside their houses. Because of this, how do you say terremoto in English? Earthquake. Oh my gosh. People is outside their houses without wearing masks. So they are breaking the rules because we are all scared. We are so scared. Just take a look. Get away from me. Get away from me. You don't want noise, please. Everybody is outside their houses. Oh my gosh. This earthquake was so scary. Oh my Lord. Everybody is praying to our Lord. Just take a look. But she's not praying. She's not praying. Why? Hey, shit.
No, estoy acá yo.
Hey, hey. I wanna. Okay, homies, that was a quick video about this fucking earthquake. Okay, there was an earthquake in Peru for all my followers. Suckers. Okay. See you, guys. Fucking out.